Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Realme 8 Pro. Start by opening Play Store on both devices. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, then Continue and Allow. You need to go with Receive on 8 Pro and Send on this Realme. Now tap on all of these dots and click Send to send all of your files. But remember, it will take some time, so for example, I will go with only this one photo, tap Send and click Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can either input this password or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on Realme 8 Pro. Click while using the app and point your smartphone at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into File Manager, for example, click in my case Photos and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!